Hey there, welcome to Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to create a super cool and colorful fish. Let's start by sketching a smooth, horizontal oval for the body of your fish, with the mouth on the left side. This will be your fish's body. Next, draw a little circle to the right of the fish's lips for the eye. Inside that, draw an even smaller circle for the pupil. Now, draw a smooth, curved line from the top to the bottom of the fish's body on the left side. This will be your guide for adding scales later. Let's add the pectoral fin. Draw a side fin with 3 little bumps on it. This helps the fish swim smoothly. On the right side, draw a tail fin with some bumps. The number of bumps is up to you. Feel free to make it unique. Next, we'll add the top fin and the bottom fin. For the dorsal fin, make it nice and smooth, like it's gracefully gliding through the water. Draw half circles along the curved line, and then continue the pattern in neat columns all the way to the tail. This will make your fish's scales sparkle. Time to get creative with colors. For the face and eyes, let's start with a sparkly blue. Use navy blue for the upper and lower fins. Those will look awesome. For the tail, try using a bold red. The scales are perfect for a fun pink, don't you think? But the fun doesn't stop there. Add a splash of orange, and if you want to get even more creative, try yellow, green, or purple too. Your fish can be as colorful as you imagine. I hope you had a blast creating this beautiful fish with me. Thanks for joining in, and I can't wait to see you next time. Happy painting and see you soon. Bye for now.